Hello, everyone. I'm here today just to show you how the LMS, which is our platform for the online lessons, works. Basically, everything that you need to watch your lessons, the pre-recorded ones, and also the live ones. So I'll just show you here how basically you have to proceed to log into your platform, to our learning platform, okay? So first thing we need to do is obviously you open your browser and then you have to go to lms.learnkey.com.mt. So those are that one is the address. So you just press it, okay? Then it will open our platform, okay? You should have received an email from our support team with the login details for the LMS, okay? LMS stands for Learning Management System of LearnKey, right? So basically, once you open the platform, you go to login, create your login, then you're gonna enter your username and password. As mentioned, you should have received it from us, from an email with all the login details, the account, the username, and the password. Click on login. Then it will open for you. In our case, in my case here, because I have an admin password username, I have all the courses here, but you will have the course that you are registered for. So in this case, I'm going to use the bookkeeping here course, which are one of our courses, to show you how it works, okay? So you will click on your course and then it will open the course information. You're gonna be able to see the basically the resources, the upcoming live classes, mainly everything that you need, okay? So you're gonna have on your left-hand side, the menu. There might be some options here that is appearing to me that will not appear for you, because obviously, as I told you, I have the admin login. So I'm using it as an admin. So I might have some functionalities here that you might not see on your computer. However, what you need to worry about and you need to basically to be aware of is that here you have the resource, which is usually comes for the first page. And then you have, you know, the notes that you have to download, okay? Course information, whatever is necessary for your lessons, you can download it from here. For example, in this case, courseware here, when you click for the bookkeeping, it will open a Gmail, Google Drive, so where you can download, you know, your notes, okay? So, and then some of them will be able only to download. If you click it, will download it there. Right, so basically, this is what you're gonna see. Then what you need to do is on upcoming live classes, if you are registered for a live class, you will see the upcoming live classes here. So basically you have, if you know, the Bookkeeping City and Guilds, which is the course, the 26th of October course, which is basically it would be today's lesson. So basically you click here and then it will open this screen. And here currently, obviously, because the course is going to start later on, there is no option for me to log in to join the class. However, once you obviously log in and it's close to the time of the lesson, because the lesson is going to start at 6 p.m., then there will be an option here for you to click and join the lesson. Okay, so it's very straightforward. Basically, it's very easy, very friendly user interface. So there is no problem about using this. And then you have, I'm not sure if past live lessons would be appearing for you guys, but I don't think it's necessary anyway, because I mean, this is not the recording. That's what you need to basically to worry about. So basically, once you you know, need to watch the previous lessons, the recording lessons, because as you know, all our live lessons, they are also recorded and made available here for you to watch it if you miss one class, or even if you want to basically to revise what you've seen on the live session, okay? So then you just need to click here. It will open for you the recordings from this lesson. Here it's asking for a login. You should have also a login for this platform, okay? However, I'm going to speak today, basically to the sports team. I think it will be automatically here. You won't need to log in again to have access to this platform to watch the recording lessons, right? Right, so basically, as I told you, this is mainly what you need. So it's very straightforward. So you're gonna have, basically you need to have access to the upcoming live classes where you can see the live classes schedule and the link to join the Zoom live meeting. And you have the recorded class, which you can watch again the lessons that you've missed, or if you want to revise. And another one that is important is the resource, where you can actually download the notes from your course. Also here, you have the calendar, where you can see all these scheduled lessons. Okay, this is for November. And then if you move here, you're going to see from December, November. This is for October, sorry. Yes. So here, basically, you'll see all the schedules for your lessons. So basically, this is, overview of the LMS, which is our platform, online platform, where you will be able to watch your live lessons, get the link from there, and also to download your own, all the notes, materials, and also to watch the recorded lessons as well. I hope that this can help you. Basically, you just need to log in here. If you have any problem, any difficulties, just get in touch with us, and then we can help you to sort it out, okay? So thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Thank you.